Good morning. So we just completed construction of angles. Now the last section is construction of triangles. When we are constructing triangle, we need three measures. Either it may be three sides or two sides and one angle or one side and two angles. So related with these three types, we are going to do the problems exercise 26B in that first question. So this is the first question, AB, BC, AC, three sides given. So the first thing is we want to draw a rough figure. It is important to draw the rough figure. So we are just drawing a rough figure. In that we are going to name it as ABC. It's up to you, any way you can mark this ABC. But what you are marking here as the rough, the same way you should construct it. So I am going to write here A, B and C. What is AB? It is 6. So I wrote here 6 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter and AC 4 centimeters. Now according to this we are going to draw. So according to the rough figure, AB is the baseline. So here we are going to draw AB as 6 centimeter. So AB is ready. So AB and it is 6 centimeter. After that, what is AC? AC is 4 centimeter. So what you should do is, in your compass you have to take 4 centimeter. So we took 4 centimeter and keeping A as center, we are marking an arc. So 4 centimeter is ready. Now what is BC? BC is 8 centimeter. So again in our compass we have to take 8 centimeter. Keep it at the point. Cut this, the first arc. We have to cut the first arc. See, in some cases it won't do. So again we have to take 4 centimeter and then, so we got a point here. Both the arcs intersected in one point. That point is C. After marking it as C, what we should do? Just join the CA and CB with scale. So we join CA and CB. This is the required triangle ABC. Now we can mark here BC is 8 centimeter. So we wrote 8 centimeter. This AC is 4 centimeter. That also we marked. So we got the required triangle ABC. Next one is question number 5. Here two sides and one angle is given. First we have to draw the rough figure. ABC is a triangle and angle B is equal to 90 degree. So angle B 90 degree. So according to that we constructed angle B is 90. So that means this one is 90, here B. And the other two, it's up to you, A or C. Here AB is given. So let's write it as A or C. I wrote like this. Now what is AB? AB is 3, BC 7 and this one is already given, it is 90 degree. Now when we are drawing the baseline will be 3 centimeter and it is AB. So we got the baseline AB and it is 3 centimeter. Now what is B? B is 90 degree, but here one condition is there, it is not possible to construct that 90 degree with the protractor. We should construct it with compass. So how we can construct that 90 degree here? First 60, 120, bisecting we will get 90 degree. So after this we are going to construct 90 degree in B. So I constructed 90° here, we got the point. Now join this B with this point with scale. So we join this line. Now see, BC is 7 centimeter. So in your compass we have to take 7 centimeter and then cut this line. So keeping B as center, just cut this line. So here this point is C. So mark this point as C. Now join the C and A with scale. So we join this. Now here we can write this one is 7 centimeter, this one is 90° and 3 centimeter. This is the required triangle ABC. This is question number 5. Now we are going to do question number 7. So question number 7 is ready. Now rough figure here one side and two angles. So AC 6 centimeter, angle B is 60° and angle C is 45°. So this one is 60° and the other one is 45°. This point is B. So baseline will be AC with 6 centimeter. So we got AC and it is 6 centimeter. Now we have to draw this angle A as 60° with compass. For that, again we are taking our compass, keeping in A as center, arc, then cut it first, that is our 60°. This is our required 60°. Now join it and extend that line. Now next one is 45°. How we can construct 45°? 45° is the bisector of 90°, or we can do 60-30 then its bisector. It is up to you which one you need. I am here doing 90° and its bisector. So 60 and 120 I constructed. Now bisector of 120 and 60, 90° we will get. Then after that we will bisect that 90°. So we got 90°. No need to join this center with this C because we need 45°. So bisector of 90 we need. So just do the dotted line till this arc. So just keep it in that place properly and then join till this arc. So we got the point here in this arc. Now this point and 120 is here. This arc is there. Now its bisector. Bisector of the 0 to 90, that is our 45°. 0 to 90, its bisector we want to find out. For that what we need? We have to keep our compass in 0 and then 90, bisect it. So we got the bisector of the 0 and 90° here. Now join this one with the C. How we can join? Join with your scale. After that just extend it till it meets the another line, that is AB. See, we extended and we got this point. This point is called as B. So if you want here, you can make it as the dotted ones or you can rub the rest Here we can stop. So this one is 60 degree and this one is 45 degree. I hope this one is clear. So what is given, according to that we have to draw the rough figure. According to our rough figure we have to construct it. So whenever you are drawing the rough figure, the same one try to construct. Only 3 types in this triangle construction. 3 sides, 2 side and 1 angle, 1 side and 2 angles. Related with that 10 problems are there in your textbook. From that 3 we completed and the 7th one more question is given, measure AB and BC. We have to measure what is AB and what is BC. So how we can measure AB and BC? Take your scale, just check the centimeter. According to that we should write. See, I got 4.5 and 5.5. So when we are drawing or when we are constructing, according to that small changes may be there, maybe 1 or 2, that is okay. Here chalk I am doing, so changes happen, maybe changes will be there from you, maybe 1 or 2 point only, 4.5 it may come as 3 or 4 or 6 or 7 after the point. Slight changes only, big changes won't be there, variation will be small one. So we got AB and BC as 4.5 and 5.5. So with that we just completed exercise 26B, 3 problems. Rest of the problems you can do as homework, complete it. The main thing is when you are constructing, your pencil should be sharpened properly. Then only you will get the correct measure. With this we completed our annual exam portions. Next is our revision part. So start studying and get the good marks. Okay. Thank you.